Hola, ¿tú cómo estás? Bienvenido a un nuevo video. En el video de hoy les voy a enseñar cómo hacer un horario visual o un visual schedule, principalmente para niños que están en un salón de educación especial o niños con autismo que benefician mucho de esos visuales. Como saben, y por si no saben, yo soy una maestra de educación especial. Recientemente me mudé a un salón o a un puesto de una maestra de educación especial de niños de sexto grado a octavo grado, o sea, secundaria, con diferentes niveles de aprendizaje. El horario visual ayuda mucho a esos niños, como ya dije, que tienen autismo, para que ellos tengan un visual de qué es lo que van a hacer o qué es lo que van a ver durante el día, para que sepan qué es lo que viene. Aquí abajo les voy a poner de donde yo conseguí estos materiales. Todo es de Teachers Pay Teachers. Buenos días, amigos, ¿cómo están? Se me ocurrió de último momento hacer como que unas cositas, entonces estoy esperando que me llegue la tinta de la printer para imprimir esas cosas. Les iba a enseñar lo que quería hacer and I think I fucking threw it away. Oh my god. Y como no tengo el pinche libro que les iba a enseñar, les voy a enseñar lo que voy a hacer. Haz de cuenta que este va a ser el horario o like their visual schedule, pero va a ser en forma de un libro. Entonces esta va a ser la cover y luego aquí voy a tener el horario y va a tener como los visuales, y acá están estos visuales de acá que ya imprimí. Aquí tengo muchos, espero que sean suficientes para todos mis niños. What they're working for, para que están trabajando. A lo mejor quieren, no sé, dibujar, o quieren, no sé, a lo mejor quieren dibujar o quieren usar plastilina o algo. Y luego este es take a break. What do they want to do while they take a break? Maybe they want to count to 3 or blow bubbles. Y esto es finished. So I want to do that for some of my kids. Not all of them, because I have a lot of different levels in my classroom. So for the ones that need a little bit more support, I want to do this visual book, and then for the other ones I want to do something basic where they just have their schedule and they check it off every day. Hopefully I have enough ink, I have enough paper, I have enough everything to do it, because I do not want to waste any more money, and school's almost starting. So, o sea, no, yo entro el jueves, pero los niños entran el 14. So as long as I have this ready by the 14th, I think I'm good. And I'm also gonna put it together. No sé si se acuerden. I used estos, pero pues también sería gastadera de dinero. So what I'm gonna do is I ordered some rings, and I'm gonna be using that to secure the book, which is not gonna be the best way, but it's going to work. I would show you the top part, but it has the student name, so I'm just going to show you the bottom and how it looks. So here we have the first and then here their tokens, like when they do good. I think I printed them too small, but maybe I think it'll work out. Let's hope. Me la bañé. I cut them too small. Oh my god. But I think that when I laminate them, I can save them. Siento que me la bañé con estos así de chiquitos. Look, I mean, and then if I put it on the paper, look how it's gonna look. Y estos sí están un poquito más grandes. That's better. So yeah, I think I'm definitely, or should I leave it like that? Si los dejo así y lo lamino, Like I'm just gonna be wasting laminating paper. Now I feel like it looks fine, pero también siento que en la cámara, y ahorita le tomé una foto, se ven más grandes que en persona. En persona se ven unas cosititas. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that and not waste paper. Ya estoy laminando estas cositas. Me voy a tardar un buen, pero we're doing it. Estos son los rings que les estaba diciendo la otra vez. No sé si se acuerdan. Para juntar los libritos que tengo. Ya corté todo. Como pueden ver, todas las hojas de los libritos. Y aquí están los icons que voy a utilizar. Y aquí están los otros. Okay, so I have my little booklet ready. I have all the pages with all the tabs in order that I want. I realized that some papers are thicker than others because of the laminating sheet. I'm gonna try to make the holes with this hole puncher. And let's hope that I do them, that they align and everything. So let's try it.
Threw me away like trash. That's all I ever thought about.
Why are you telling me this?
Because I was just like you, princess. Clothes off, tied and twisted all up inside.
OMG, I made the 3 dots so I can do it for the rest. This paper is thicker than this one, so I need to see if it's gonna work. I think I'm going to make a little like mark with a marker of where I want the hole, because I think that this putting one paper on top of the other, like it's working for now, but hopefully this works.
Folks, it was.
Hello, Thumbs. Dr. Okafor, time out, please.
Yvonne Aurora Evans?
Correct.
Actually, that's Aurora.
Dr. Chu.
You gotta roll the middle R. Spanish.
Oh.
I'm not Spanish, but you know.
Date first.
April
Ooh, that was
1942.
fucking close.
My boyfriend thinks I was born in 47. He was born in 45, but you know, man.
I'm gonna use this little ringies if I can get it open. I'm scared, like, oh my hard work if this doesn't work. Oh yeah, this was too close. This one is too close to the edge. I'm scared. There we go. Oh my gosh. There it is. So since the cover is gray, that means that this student is going to have the gray colored icons. So I'm going to take all of those and put them off to the side. My shadow. Well, whatever. This is the cover. And then we have the first tab, schedule. So right now it's not in order, but this will probably be what it looks like. And then working form. And then these are some things that like this particular student really likes. And then these are also some things that this student really likes. So that's why I chose like these things for him to do to take a break. Y ese estudiante ya lo tenía el año pasado, entonces por eso. And then this is the other tab, and these are the other little icons. Sí están muy chiquitos, pero. And then I put that one there, which now I regret it, but okay. And then this is the finish, que van a poner su horario cuando ya, por ejemplo, morning meeting. Let's do breakfast and morning meeting. So the first thing on their schedule would be breakfast. And then morning meeting. And then once they're done with breakfast, they can put it over here. Me falta poner el velcro ahí, but they would put it there. And so on and so forth.